Gold continued the record run and it has already achieved 2288 levels. Yesterday, we have mentioned why 2247 is the level it needs to break, and precisely, see, this is the beauty of analysis. It's precisely reversed from 2248 and since then has traded strongly. Also remember, we have seen increasing body size here in these two candles. So can we expect a third bullish candle here taking gold about $23, 2300 levels? Or there is a possibility of a reversal because we have seen a strong run since, and can we expect a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicate. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. The next update in gold will be released today before the US session, thus watch that as well. Do like, share and comment. It is always a great support from you all. And yes, if you have not joined the free Telegram channel, join it for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Now look at gold, divergence from the 20 period. It has come back to take the support from the 20 period. And this is the second bump here. Remember, it has still not shown any interest in moving towards the 20 period moving average. So some point of time today it may come down, but before that it can achieve highs. It will wait for the moving averages to climb up and then it can come to take the support from 2280, 2275 levels, or rather I'll say 2270 levels, which are going to remain good great support. Now also one must see this is a long-term trend line which is coming in. Since long it is there in the charts, and the highs of this on the hourly chart is situated at around 2295, and you can see a pivot level at around 2298. Now this is the zone it may target. If it stays above 2288, we are looking forward to 2295, 2298 zone at the next time. Achieving the levels, it will wait for the moving averages to climb up. Now 20 period moving average sitting at around 2270 is going to remain a very good support here for the day. So what it may try to do, it can in fact achieve the highs before showing a pullback towards 2280, 2270 zone. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, RSI is overbought. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour chart, preceding three candles, lower lows, lower highs. The only concern point here is, see, the bullishness got diminished in the last candle. Now we have to wait for a breakout. In fact, 2286, 88 is the zone you should watch out for. Beyond this, we will look forward to 2295, 2298 zone. So you have to wait for it to break beyond 2286, 88 zone in order to confirm the bullishness here. Now here also the 20 period moving average. Now 20 period moving average is sitting too far now on the 2-hour charts. Look at the support zone. This is the support zone, 2250, 2260. In any case, gold should not break below this zone. If and only if gold trades below 2250, you can say it is turning bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, rising here, RSI is overbought. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, after consolidation, it is trying to break out. Possibly we may look forward to 2295, 98 zone, and if it breaks beyond 23, you can say that the bulls are taking over here and we are looking forward to another round of rise, taking it till towards 2312 level. Now one must look rise retracement. See, it is forming a nice channel. If you connect this, see, higher lows are formed, so higher highs can also be seen. Now highs beyond 23 and 2312 levels are going to take it far beyond towards 2340 levels. If not today, possibly some point of time in this week or in this month. Yes, it has formed a very good base here at 2180. The second base here is now at 2250, 60 zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is again overbought. Remember, it is getting overbought on the time frames. Now overbought on the time frames 1, 2, 3-hour charts may show a little retracement, that it can try to show a pullback, but again on the larger time frames, so that is on the daily and weekly charts, I will still not say that the gold has turned bearish as long as now 2240, 2230 zone is not breached. So first support zone is at 2250, 60. Next support zone at 22, 30, 40. Now, I will give you the precise levels here. Before that, let's have a look. On the 4-hour charts, after consolidating here for a while, it is looking forward to a breakout. We have to watch out how it behaves at 22, 86, 88. Staying above this, we are looking forward to 22, 95, 98 zone as the next targets. Very clear. Remember, on the 4-hour charts, gold has formed a very strong support here at 2250. Look at this, and that is why I say this should not be breached in any case. That will confirm the bears here. And if you look at the divergence here, see, gold has been trading in this bullish channel. If you connect the dots, you will find the highs are far above and the lows now are situated at around 2270 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, and I give you the trading strategy for the day. If you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 8th of April. Limited seats are available. In this batch, we focus on two things. First is to teach you all the tools, techniques, and strategies with the help of which you can identify a profitable trade with ease. And next is to teach you the art of trading profitably with the help of trade setups. So do join this batch. Do not miss this opportunity. You can write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for all your queries. Also, most of you have asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, where the spreads are lower and the which offers a swap-free account, and it's a regulated broker. So you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. So why to waste your money by paying higher spreads and higher swap fees? Join the broker and enjoy trading. Now, coming to the daily. If you look at the daily charts, third bullish candle in making here for the week. And if it breaks beyond 2286.88 zone, we are looking forward to 2295.98 zone here. That is going to be our first target. And in fact, now see, increasing body size suggests that there could be increasing bullishness as well, which can in fact take the prices on the upside towards 2310, 2312 zone, which is going to be the next target. And beyond that is also possible. See, what it may do, it can try to achieve the highs first before showing any pullback. Yes, because it is on a run, and once it starts to run, it is very difficult to show pullback, and hence it will achieve the highs before trying to retrace. So still do not take it as bearish. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. Now, this is one concern point for me, though it is not that gold cannot achieve further highs on the daily charts, but MACD on the daily charts appears to be at an extremely higher level. And this is only in the COVID times we have seen, post-COVID recovery, we have seen it achieving further highs, else historically it has not breached past 40 or 60 zone. If you look at 2017, this is the time in 2016. In fact, that time also plus 30, plus 20 levels appear to be at a higher side. And historically also plus 40 is again a very high level here. Now this is in 2011 that it has achieved plus 60. So yes, this could be one of a case in last 20 years that it can try to achieve the highs at plus 60. RSI overbought here. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2286.88 zone. Expect it to move towards 2295.98 zone as the next targets. 95 and 98 are the two levels you should watch out for. Rather, I will say 94 and 98 are the two levels you should watch out for. These are going to remain good resistance level on the upside. Move beyond 2298 will take it towards 2306 and 2312 levels. 2312 levels are going to be the next milestone which we should watch out for. And on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend a sell entry at 2280-82 zone. Yes, you can sell here at 82, but you have to be very cautious, alert for 2277-75 zone as the next support. 2277-75 going to remain a very good support zone. and then 2270. If and only if gold drops below 2270, we can say the bears are going to take over here. And what are going to be the next targets? We can look forward to 2262 levels and 2260 as the first target levels below 2270, and below that 2254 are going to be the support levels. Now 2254 if it breaks and 2248 if it breaks, that is the time you can clearly say that now the bears are taking over here in gold, and below that you can definitely look forward to a massive drop and a reversal. See, these are markets. You have to keep your eyes and options open. You have to take the trades on both ways. If it's going for a sell, just sell it. If it's going for a buy, just buy it. Do not trade in hurry and do not trade with bias. Very simple. If it's going for a sell, again I am reiterating, go for sell. If you see it below 2282, 80, go for book few pips and points. If you see it trading about 22, 86, 88, go for a buy, book few pips and points. See, the day has just started. It can show you swings, thus you should be trading with caution. So take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.